Hi guys, it's me Tanya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going on a little road trip in Norway. Let's go with me. We are driving through a small road surrounded by beautiful mountainside. The countryside here is so peaceful and fresh. Everywhere I look, I can see greenery. There are forests, open fields, and beautiful mountains in the distance. The views are amazing, and there are so many shades of green everywhere. It feels like nature has completely come back to the life after the winter. The trees are full of fresh leaves and everything looks bright and colorful. Driving through scenery like this is so relaxing. The road is getting a bit narrow and a little bit hard to drive, but it's amazing. Now we have arrived near the forest area. We are going to start walking inside the forest. Look at this. This is so green everywhere. Huge trees, fresh leaves, and the air feels so clean and cold. It feels like nature is fully awake again after the winter. Everything is alive and bright. Everything looks so fresh because it's late May. It's just after the winter. Now it's springtime. We are walking deeper into the forest now. It's about 15 minutes walk, not too hard, but it feels like an adventure. The path is so quiet, only birds, wind and footsteps. And slowly, we start to hear something. Do you hear that? A water sound, getting louder and louder. As you can see, everywhere is so greenery, so fresh. Getting close to the waterfall is not easy, but the view is worth it. The journey is challenging, exciting, and a little bit of scary too. The water sound getting louder and louder. So I started to follow in the pathway. Oh my god, I think we are close now. At first, I thought this was the waterfall everyone was talking about, and honestly, it was already beautiful. But then I started to wondering, wait, is this the real one? Because on social media, I had seen photos and videos of the much bigger waterfall. I was looking around and thinking, where's that huge waterfall? But that's completely normal. As you guys know, We are just travelers, exploring and discovering places as we go. Sometimes things don't look exactly the same as they do in photos, and sometimes you end up with finding unexpected spots along the way. And honestly, that's a part of the fun. I was enjoying this place too, even if it wasn't the viewpoint I was expecting. The nature was beautiful and sound of the water was amazing, and it was still a lovely experience. So we decided to keep exploring. There was a trail leading further up through the forest, and we thought maybe the bigger waterfall was somewhere higher up. We started to walking again, following the path and enjoying the adventure. The sound of the waterfall was still around us. And then, after a little walking, we finally found it. Oh my god! This is the waterfall I saw on social media. It was much bigger than I expected. A hidden waterfall. It feels like unreal. Like a secret place nobody talks about. This is Solbergfossen waterfall. It is hidden inside the forest and feels like true hidden gem. The water is falling so strongly and everything around is so green and peaceful. This place is not very far from Oslo city. It is in Lear, Sylling area, just around 50 to 60 minutes drive, less than 1 hour from Oslo city. Can you imagine that? It is not a big tourist place, so it feels very calm and natural. Mostly, only locals come here for hiking or small trips. If you want to find it, just search Solbergfossen Waterfall Sylling on Google Maps. So we started our journey back home. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.